What's good, everybody? It's your favorite reactor back with another banger. I don't even know what we're getting into because I can't see what we're getting into, but we finna get into it, you know what I'm saying? Back with another zinger. But for real though,
The enemy held castle, but will attempt to find a good spot to deploy the RPG.
Man, he taking fire already. I didn't even see that.
You know what I have, bro?
Did you? Damn, that dude was in a bush. He was cooling. You said what,
I don't
buddy?
think this camouflage is working like his.
His camouflage ain't that good. That's what you're saying? It's knockoff.
It's
He got the knockoff camouflage, folks.
My nigga don't even got camouflage on. That's what's funny, bro.
He got like
He
that texture grass looking shit.
Man,
Like not grass, but like it looks
that
like.
nigga had a whole ghillie suit. This nigga only got on a fucking helmet with fucking grass and not even the color of that. He wasting his bullet.
You're not wasting. He just got 2 kills.
Nigga said do.
He's really blowing that thing, man. But he's leaned all the way over at a 90-degree angle, dog. Shooting niggas. Like, what? What? He really nasty with it. Like, with a BB gun.
Shot him in the crack. They just dropping, bro. That's so funny.
Bro thought he was gonna walk up and catch a easy lick and got blown back.
How do you not see this nigga laying there, bro?
He liked that, bro.
It must be like 40-year-olds. He like the only 35-year-old.
He the only 35. Oh, okay, dude.
They all situational where this is just fuck, bro. Like, look at them, bro. They just out in the open, bro. I gotta try this, bro. I gotta try this word too. I'm having one with a nerve.
Look, he laying still as hell, just chilling.
Last bullet. I bet you got. Don't shoot him in the neck, bro. Don't do it to him.
What the fuck is that dude next to him? Oh, blue as shit. Oh.
He scared the shit out of him.
He said, oh, he got hit.
Position to set up the RPG, we were overwhelmed by the amount of enemy players streaming out of the castle. This time, however, my squad and I have walked all the way around the field to set up the RPG behind them.
They're in the bushes. Right over there.
Gotta taste weed. Boom.
What?
I wonder how it feel to get hit with that, bro.
Oh, God, because it's just...
It really shoot that, though. Like, it's coming out of there, bro.
Oh, God, like, it really shoots it. Like,
yeah.
you could really...
I think you got an M...
You gotta fill it up, though, every shoot, though. Every shoot, though, you gotta fill it up. He really is blowing dudes with this.
My tip.
Oh, my tip. My tip.
Oh.
Oh, it shot it.
It's malfunctioning.
We got a malfunction.
That's not that American shit. It ain't an American RPG.
Bro, did you see what his man just had?
I want that.
Did you see what his man? That thing had titties on it. Like what? That thing was dummy big.
That was a whole something back, nigga.
A quick scope his ass. You seen that? Oh, damn.
This aim with that pistol though is what's it, bro.
He's just look at it. Oh, that's his crack, dude. Look at that.
He shot him in his He should have shot him with that in his ass, bro.
Bro, that is so wild, dog. Is there really like BBs in there? And when it blows up, they're blowing the BBs out?
Oh, he missed.
No, he did. No, he did not miss. That wind, bro, and the BB shoots different, dog.
I
It's
thought that. I thought
super
he was the
lightweight.
first nigga. Oh, he just quickscope. He trying to quickscope. There it is.
He really quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie. His editing skills is fire. But you gotta have 2 cameras on.
He got the camera on the front of the gun on his head.
Like where he got the one on his head, and then.
I'm pretty sure it takes hella time, bro.
Oh, that was in the chin. I knew it was. Oh, he ate that shit. He's like,
Flank around can cause as much trouble for the reinforcement line coming out of their spawn as
what
possible.
are you talking about, bro?
He's not hitting the flow, nigga.
Do you have a fucking a paintball or airsoft joint where you live?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll have to slide down there around. We can hit that joint. Now we're going paintballing out here. It's pretty decent. Just be hurting though to get you in the right spot. Just be stinging for days, man. That's these fucking little rings they be having. Their fire, like it's realistic as hell.
You say rings, nigga? You talking about like
like their battlegrounds, yeah. Like
I wonder how many players it is. How many people? Oop. I should have went off and hit all of them. So you can't do that right there, so you ain't going that.
I'm not doing that.
You're not doing it.
I'm not doing that. I'm tucking and rolling, dog. What are you talking about?
You hit that, bro, you go bounce right back up.
Nah, I'm gonna hit him with that quickie.
He sad he got killed. Oh, he done fucked up the GoPro.
I can't believe that.
The tune in my